Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. There you go, the hand man. Got a little infection there. Well, anyway, this is Marty again from the Dougherty Garden, and today's plant is the Mexican Ruellia. Uh, Let me see, it's a good boundary plant. Some people use it for an open area. They like sun. This is in a quasi-sun area. Don't see any blooms on them, but there's a few. This is one I got many years ago, and I was amazed at the light purple blooms on it. Let me see something here with a color. There we go. That's the color that's going to come out here. At this point of the day, it's not blooming. As you can see, there's a few closed ones over here, and it's in one little section. Has a tendency to travel, but if you have a large open area, that's not a problem. And what I do is every once in a while I'll go into an area where it did happen. I had removed them in the back of the garden. I had them in the center by the Blessed Virgin there for a while, but the roots travel down and laterally, horizontal. I guess some other people were doing what that term is. It took me a while to figure that one out. Anyway, these plants makes a nice full color, light pink, light purple, for lack of other words. Let me use purple because, in fact, that was the one color I had picked, and I had no point in time I ever picked the pink one up. But yet, over time, you will see the color pink come out from one of these willow plants. I didn't purposely pull pink, but pink it is. And as you can see, it makes nice, I call them large ground cover. It's a good border plant. Let me see if there's any other ones around here. That's about it. So, Ruellia loves this shaded, predominantly shady. It's got a few open areas, so it does get some sunlight. But let me see, I got a little weed growing in here. Let me get that little puppy out. Oh, it's not going too fast. There we go. It's gone. Bye-bye. Like I said, Ruellia, Mexican Ruellia, and you can see right in the middle of the video, you can see the color of the pink, the purple, excuse me. Keep on using that pink, Marty. Wake up. Some pink, majority are all purple that I have. Like I said at the time, I picked it because I saw the color, put it in the ground, and Mother Nature took over itself. So here's Marty signing off in the Dougherty Garden. That's Mexican Ruellia, light purple color, very pretty flower. They rise to about 3.5 feet, as you can see back there. It's sheltering my bamboo palm in a terracotta pot back there. But it's been here and I love it, and thank you for stopping by, Marty. Any plant suggestion, but eventually going to film everything that's growing in the backyard, even some of the weeds. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.